So what we have here is a MacBook Pro. It's a model A1502, and what we want to do is reset this MacBook. But because there's an iCloud or an account on there, the Macintosh HD is grayed out. So when we go to partition it as a new partition and try to erase the old data, this is the error that you get. The volume recovery on disk1s3 couldn't be unmounted because it is in use by process 0 parentheses kernel. So what we got to do is, when you first start it and you hear that chime, so when the MacBook first boots up, what you want to do is you want to hold Command plus R to go into recovery. Don't connect to Wi-Fi yet. You're going to press Disk Utilities, and then you'll click on your grayed out encrypted HD that you don't know the password to, and you are going to press the only thing you can press is erase. And then when you erase it, you choose the first option, which is APFS volume, and it will go through and it will encrypt it and delete your old data. Once that goes through, this thing will no longer be grayed out. You click on it and you click partition so that you can partition it. So this is the option that you'll get. It'll be like this, and what you'll do is you'll then change this format to the macOS extended generalized, and then you set a password, you verify it, and then you press apply. Once you do that, boom, there you go. Now you have the whole thing available. It's no longer password protected. You press X, and then you reinstall macOS. So you want to make sure you're connected. Click reinstall, and we are going to reinstall. Then when you go to download it, it asks you for the disk password. I set mine to 1234. I enter it, and then it's going to finish processing and downloading Mojave. And once it goes through the steps, there you go. You are now officially have resetted your MacBook, and you're on your way to using it again. So let's just go ahead and log in just to show you that it did work. It was a fairly easy process. Depending on your Wi-Fi speeds, the downloading of the content could take some time. Took me roughly 20 minutes, but I'm in the garage, and my main router is in the living room a little bit further away, so that's why it took a little longer. But through direct connection, you could possibly have done that process a little quicker. So now I'm going to connect to the Wi-Fi, and I'm going to go. All right, we'll go here. We'll go don't transfer. We'll say use a different, then set up later, skip. Go ahead and agree. Let's just say MacBook, continue. So we're going to go ahead and set up a password. Now the password that I just asked earlier when that screen popped up was the password that you encrypted it with initially. So I had mine set as the same as 1234. Let's go ahead, choose the new dark mode. And it looks like it is going to get set up. I'm just going to roll the camera and show you. There we go. Now we are into the MacBook. We'll show the percentage. Let's go ahead. There we go. So this is the MacBook Retina 2015 Intel Core i7 8 gig. Sweet deal. Hopefully this helps you guys in wiping the drive off of your MacBook and setting it up so you can use it again.